Welcome back. Let's do question 112. The matric class of a certain high school had to vote for the chairperson of the RCL. The scatter plot below shows the IQ of the 10 learners who received the most votes and the number of votes that they received. Before the election, the popularity of each of these 10 learners was established, and the probability score out of 100 was assigned to each. The popularity scores and the number of votes of the same 10 learners who received the most votes are shown in the table below. Calculate the standard deviation of the number of votes that these 10 learners received. 1 mark. So we don't need to do a lot here. We have to know how to use a calculator. Let's use the calculator. You press mod and then go to states, and then you go to 1 minus VAR, and then you enter your data items. 9 equals 22 equals 10 equals 21 equals 11 equals 15 equals, make sure you have entered all the numbers. 20 equals 12 equals 19 equals 16 equals. Then press AC, then shift 1, and then we're looking for VAR, which is 4. And in the standard deviation, you look for this symbol here for standard deviation, which is number 3 in this case. And then equals. We're getting 4,588,802,7899. And then we can round off these to 2 decimal places is 4,59. So the standard deviation is equal to 4,59.